I have no sound,
What
no.
does he expect to find?
I'll have to narrate this after the fact.
No, what they should do is go
Both
up.
of them, yeah.
Don't look like you're taking up a specific car.
Look at that evil kid, he hits him more and more.
I know.
I know, they're solid. They just keep coming. They just keep coming.
This will be like an hour of wasted time.
Where is it? Blue one right here. But some of the juices and it's frozen and
He's got a juice.
Not now. No.
come up.
Let me see if I can get the policeman going around in circles.
I want it now. Come up. Touch.
Both of you move your hand. You're making me sick putting your hands there, and I'll give you something else,
Mama.
Brad.
What?
That's my hand.
Controlled insanity.
Move your hand, and I'll give you something else.
You allow her
See,
to
there's-
take out the juices.